decision to the patient. Now we go on to the second model, which is the priest model. The physician operates from the moral position of knowing what is best for the patient and often takes the form of, as your decision, I recommend. Here, the physician is morally and directly involved himself and influences in the decisions of what course of action to take. Like saying, as your physician, I recommend this, and here the physician is considered or viewed as a confidant and an important member of the patient's family.
Kampasin niyo si Mike.
Most of your examples or your topic is about physician and client relationship. What about nurse and patient relationship as far as these models are concerned?
As far as nurse and patient is concerned, I guess the best way to, these methods will serve as a guide for us health providers on how to meet the
Needs.
On how to meet the patient's needs and thereby weigh carefully the values and rules of action to determine if it is truly for the best interest of the patient.
Okay, if you will apply this at home, what model is suited if you are the head of the family?
Sure,
The doctor's model.
the priest model.
2003 model.
Sir, because I am morally and involved in the situation, and I consider myself as a close member of the family.
Yes, clap.